Hello guys and welcome to Tech Toffee. Today we are going to see how to create a basic simple command line Java application using IntelliJ. So just click on create new project, click on Java and select nothing. Select the project SDK. So I have selected 11.0.3. So you can download from Java official website. I will provide a link in the description for SDK download. So no need to select anything else, just click on next. So create a project from template. We are going to use a template here, the command line app template. Click on next, give any name you want. Here I am giving the name as Tech Toffee Test Java. So also you can give the name of your base package. So I am giving as org.techtoffee. Click on finish. So it will apply the template and it will start the IntelliJ. So as you can see, a main.java file will open by default. So this is the tip of the day. Just click on don't show tips and click on close. So IntelliJ is now indexing the files. So once the indexing will complete, we will be able to run it. So in the project we can see the folder structure. So in the folders we only have a source folder and an untitled IML file. So IML file is specific to IntelliJ. So once the indexing is complete, this will change. Meanwhile, we will write a simple print statement in the main function system.out.print, say hello Tech Toffee. You can also see structure here. So structure will show the class, the file that you are on, the classes that present in it, and you can expand it and see the function. So you can see the capital M main is the class and the small m main is the function there. You can move them anywhere you want. So as you can see, the indexing is still going. So once the indexing completes, we can run this application. So as you can see, as indexing completes, the IML file is changed. And also you can see a play button near the class and the main function. So just go to the main function, click on run main. Once you run main, it will build your project and it will run it. As you can see here, hello Tech Toffee is run completely.